Welcome to our Flagtronics wireless flagging demonstration. Here we have our wireless FT200 in-car flagging boxes that will represent what a driver would see in the car. So we have several of them here. Each unit is capable of displaying full track conditions such as green, red, and yellow flags. The FT200 unit is also capable of displaying local corner flags such as debris, local yellow, and more. The FT200 unit may also display car-specific messages such as black flag, meatball, and courtesy pit. The FT200 also offers a pit timer function that begins counting when entering the pits and through the entire pit lane. The digits show the track condition colors, so they will be green digits for green flag, yellow digits for yellow flag, and red digits for red flag, for example. Equipped with GPS and crash detection sensors, each FT200 in-car unit is capable of reporting accidents and stopped cars to race control and other vehicles nearby. This helps get a warning of an incident ahead to drivers faster than any prior system to prevent pileups and major incidents. The FT200 is also capable of detecting accident severity to determine, more quickly than traditional methods, that emergency services needs immediate involvement in a severe incident. Flagtronics also offers display stands which may be scaled to size, weatherproof, and configurable. These displays are ideal for use at each flag stand to be easily seen in daylight as well as adverse weather conditions. And here's an example setup of one of these smaller stands. This wireless flagging system is portable for sanctioning bodies, and FT200 wireless in-car units may be battery powered for use as rentals at the track. Here's an example unit which shows us the current flag state. Currently it's powered by a battery, which could be used for a rental unit. The battery enclosure depends on how long you want the unit to last and the rental condition. In permanent installations, this will be wired into the car. The unit also has an antenna on the back of each unit, and it has a GPS puck. This comes out of the wiring harness in the back. The wiring harness also allows CAN connectivity. The wireless flagging system is capable of using only in-car units, only display stands, or any combination of both elements. The system is capable of using a single tall antenna, a mesh grid of transceivers, or a combination of elements. You may combine nearly any combination of displays, in-car units, and control boxes as desired. Track control is available for race control, stewards, corner workers, and there is an optional software management system. This is our very simple handheld unit. This can be used for corner workers. It can also be used in race control for race stewards. We have buttons that are lit, and each button will dictate the color of the stands and of the in-car units. So we transitioned from yellow to green, and we can go back from green to yellow to red, and we can also see the same status moving around for the cars that are moving on the track currently. This is a mock representation of VIR, and we can see the cars going around and going through different conditions and flag states. When we have a green flag condition, we can set individual flags. So here I'm going to set a local condition for yellow, and here I'm going to set a local condition for debris. And we can also pick individual vehicles so that we can do things like black flag or meatball. And as the cars go through the different zones, they will represent the local flag conditions as well. So in this case, 998 here has been selected as a meatball condition. And when it went through the debris flag, it showed debris. On a green track, it will show the green condition as it goes around until it reaches another local condition. So that if you're under a meatball or black flag or have a pit message, you'll still be able to see what's going on in the track around you in the local conditions. Now we can also see a pit timer function counting up here. And the pit timer is currently colored green because the track is green. But if we go to yellow, the pit timer will change to yellow. If we go to red, the pit timer will change to red. and we can come back to green, and all the units change together seamlessly. We also have purple flag for certain tracks, and we can do custom flag conditions. So in this case, purple is used at VIR for code 35. In the software, we have control for the individual cars, we have control for the entire track, and we have corner conditions. We can also do conditions with the handheld boxes for local conditions and for full track conditions. But to be able to do individual car messages, you'll need the software management. And this is typically located in race control. There's typically a box connected to the PC with the race control software, and there will be either a large antenna or multiple antennas around the track to transmit to the cars and to the stands.